Hey everyone, welcome back to BI Code. If you love coding, tech tips, and a bit of AI magic, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, drop a comment, and follow along for more experiments. Today, we're going to push GPT-5 to its limits. Let's see what it can really do. First up, I asked GPT-5 to build me a complete portfolio website using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No frameworks, no libraries, just raw, clean code. The result? Super beautiful and functional. A responsive design, smooth animations, project filters, and even a dark light mode toggle. All from a single prompt. That's crazy good. Next, I wanted to see if GPT-5 could make something fun. So I asked for a classic snake game in Python using Pygame. It delivered a fully working game with scoring, speed increases, restart option, and sound effects. Playing this feels like a throwback. But the wild part is, this was written entirely by AI. Then I switched gears completely, from code to creativity, and asked GPT-5 to write a short poem about this channel. BI Code. Here's what it wrote. In a world of ones and zeros bright, BI Code sparks a guiding light. From tangled bugs to dreams that run, each line of code a work begun. Tips and tricks, a gentle hand. Creative builds at your command. Where tech meets art, the stories grow. BI Code helps your brilliance show. Not gonna lie, I love this. Finally, I tested GPT-5's image generation with 3 prompts. First, a futuristic developer's workspace in a cyberpunk city apartment at night. This one took a while to generate, but the detail is insane. Second, a cute cartoon-style green snake holding a red apple in its mouth, pixel art style. Absolutely adorable. And third, a modern BI Code logo with a computer chip and light bulb design. Clean, minimal, and totally usable. So in just one session, GPT-5 built me a beautiful website, a playable game with sound effects, a custom poem, and 3 awesome images. My verdict? GPT-5 is smart, functional, and packed with a lot of capabilities. If you enjoyed this showcase, smash that like button, subscribe to BI Code, and let me know in the comments what I should make GPT-5 do next. Thanks for watching, and keep coding.